What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another video, and today I got another POV for y'all. I took a break. Apologize for that. You know, sometimes life happens. Anyways, but yeah, we got a POV going. I'm gonna get a lot of POVs for y'all because I feel like y'all like the POVs. But I'm also gonna start doing like some silent POVs just in case, you know. Because I was watching somebody's video doing POV. And somebody told him, like, you talking too much. I want to hear the car. Okay. They didn't say that to me, but I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm basically not gonna talk and let y'all listen sometimes. But there will be videos where I will. But I do got a video. This can really fit for anybody, but it'll be on the way. It's just how to play like YouTube and Netflix and stuff on your car. You know? So I'm gonna be coming out with that. I just have to go pick it up. And then we gonna be good. But yeah, right now we are on the little country back roads or whatever. Yeah. Not gonna lie, it's cold in here, so I'm gonna turn the air off. And I'm gonna roll the windows down. So y'all can, I don't know if this will be too loud, but like y'all can hear like some of the car a little bit better, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. Y'all couldn't hear that one, but that bit was loud. Try a little downshift. That's how you make that motherfucker pop. I like driving on roads like this. I feel like I'm driving through the mountains or something. Oh. Got some railroad tracks. Stop, look, make sure you straight, and keep it going. But actually just drive. All right, we are good now. So let's go ahead and, damn, why we blurry? There we go. We're gonna do a little. Yeah. It did just rain a little bit today, but the ground looks dry. But I did just launch it from like nothing. You see what I'm saying? So like we're on these little back roads. I actually got another place I might want to go. I just thought about it. It's a bunch of windy, wavy roads and stuff. And I think y'all would like it. I'll probably get the head mount and then, you know, like use two hands on the wheels or a wheel and drive through there like I'm on the tail of the dragon, if y'all know what that is. If y'all watch a lot of car YouTube, y'all should know who that is or what that is. Alright. Alright, they going to the left. We going straight. A little downshift. Oh! Gas the shotty. Make sure nothing coming. We good that way. We good that way. Boom, we out of there. Dang, they knocking the whole back out of that school. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. So my friend told me about like a little He has a BMW. I was supposed to do content in his car, but I literally forgot. But anyways, and with his car, like we were supposed to drive and record, but that didn't happen. But he has a tune. Basically, it basically a Burble tune on his car, but it's not just a Burble. It like stage 1 and stage 2, and he got it for like $500 or something. Now I know that's kind of low. I think that's low for a tune. For like the tunes that I've heard about, like Prey in North Carolina, I'm pretty sure that's kind of low. But ooh, look at this little turn right here, you know. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, so he got a tune for like 500 or whatever, and it's like buy one get one. Oh shit, I'm in the wrong lane. Buy one get one free, basically. And I was thinking, like, if I were to get all the stuff I need, right? Like, I probably wouldn't get headers right now. Why is this car like following me? They was not coming this way. If I was to get like headers or something, or like the E85 and an intake, I could just tune off of that, right? Which I would want to do, but I do want to get the headers. I just gotta, you know, like get a little bit extra money to just, I can throw it in here. And I know it'll be good for content, but you know, if the return on the content was crazy, then of course. But you know, sometimes that don't happen. But I'm gonna get back to this POV in a second, because I'm getting close to where I'm going. I'm not really close, but I'm getting close, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna pick the camera back up in a second, but I am gonna give y'all one more pull after this. Car gets a little, oh, never mind. Yeah, I still will. Alright, I'm finna give y'all a little, you know. It's crazy, these tires really don't spin and they're cheap as hell. Oh, y'all hear that? Motherfuckers sound like that. Fuck! Alright, yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. I'll pick the camera back up in a few minutes. What's good with y'all boys? It's the next day. I didn't get to pick up the camera yesterday, but I want to today. We almost out of gas, but anyways, it don't matter. Oh, you see that? But I do got the windows down because my car is popping right now. Around this temperature is the best. Listen, listen. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but and it's wet outside, so I can't really do no pulls or nothing. See, watch. Like, we breaking traction right there. But y'all, I do have a couple ideas I want to do to the car. And maybe I'll do them. I do want to paint the calipers. I'm not sure what color. I just want them to stick out more, cause like, I mean, mine don't stick out. And then like I want to do the steering wheel, and then I want to do some seat covers. Oh shit. I want to do some seat covers because as you see, these seats are kind of ass, but I want to do, there's a site where you can get them like damn near whatever color you want, for real. And I want to get those and maybe match the calipers. I don't know. Then I'm gonna do this windshield tint. Well, I keep putting that off. I don't know why. I'm really just you know, I get headaches and stuff with it, so I want to go get the waiver or whatever. So that, and then I don't know if I said the steering wheel, but that's the 4 things: windshield, calipers, seat covers, and the steering wheel. And maybe we can make that happen coming soon. But I know I've been off of here for a couple of, or not even a couple of days, like a week and almost a week and a half, really, I think. But I'm gonna, oh shit. I'm going back to Atlanta, but I'm not driving, so I won't have my car in Atlanta. But I'll only be there for a couple of days, and then I'm gonna get back here. I got a box, I got a package waiting for me for the car, and this company wants me to do a review on it, so I'm gonna do a review, and I'm gonna be brutally honest, because first, they're sending it to me for free to do the review, so, and they're not paying me to do the review, so I'm gonna be honest. Let's do a little pull right here. Let's see if we can keep some traction. Yeah. Okay. That bitch sounded good. Yeah, hear me. What going, twin? Damn, that bitch sound like a bomb. Damn! I really wish y'all can, I hope y'all can hear this. Oh my goodness. I need to get my GoPro and suction cup that bitch on the back of the car. But I also want somebody to drive my car that knows how to make it pop like this, so I can hear it myself, because I've never heard my car pop on the outside besides videos and stuff. And you know, videos don't do no justice, because it sounds loud from up here, but I know that shit sound crazy from behind. That shit hit my head on the back of the seat. Yeah, it must have been a little car accident. Alright, good this way. We good this way. We good always. But anyways, I just wanted to go ahead and finish up this POV for y'all, let y'all know the things that's coming soon. I appreciate everybody who watches these videos and tunes in. I really do. I'm gonna give y'all another pull. Y'all hear them fucking burbles? And I told y'all, at the beginning of this video, I told y'all I was gonna go to the little back roads and do basically the little windy roads in the back, in the country. I'm gonna go do that when I get back, because I'm trying to run this channel up for y'all. Y'all show me some crazy support on this channel, so I'm gonna get that done for y'all. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.